Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 17th, 2024, we have 2 weeks to go till end of the month, end of the year. Yeah. Well, this year is a quick passed very fast. Anyway, two puzzles left. Two puzzles are already solved. 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku. We have one puzzle to go. The JigSaw Sudoku. Number 9763. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one. Because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. I don't think it's a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I think it's rather a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. And for 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quarter box? I see here 1 quarter box. Insufficient information right now, so I cannot fill those numbers. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is connected with that box. So 2 and 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left. A pair, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 2, 1 box left now in this area for number 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4 These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can't be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 in this quadra box is supposed to be here or there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then these, these two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes in there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, but also that box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this quadra box is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then well 1, 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 2 should be here because if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 2 then, but we already have a 2 here. Not the solution place 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And that box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and then more. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only 2 places left for the 2 in this area should be here or there. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. Ik kom eraan. Yes. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a... is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, of course. 1, 2, 5. Double 2 here. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Oh, no, we already have a 2 here. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Then. Let me see. Come on. 4, I need a 5 here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So if eliminate here the 2, so the 2 goes here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. So that box should be a 2. We already have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3, double 3 here. That means I cannot place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars and faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.